Peace be unto you and your family. 12th Chemistry QR code questions and answer. Unit 4 Transition and Inner Transition Element. Under this, now first question is, what would happen when a solution of potassium chromate is treated with an excess of dilute nitric acid? Chromate ion is CrO4 2 minus ion. இதில் குரோமியத்தோட ஆக்சிடேஷன் ஸ்டேட் +6. When treated with acidic medium, there is an equilibrium exists between chromate and dichromate ion. குரோமேட்டுக்கும் டைக்ரோமேட்டுக்கு இடையில் ஒரு ஈக்குலிபிரியம் செட் ஆகும். 2 chromium 2 chromium 1 water molecule is also formed. இதில் இந்த குரோமியத்தோட ஆக்சிடேஷன் ஸ்டேட்டில் எந்த சேஞ்சுமே கிடையாது. இதுலேயும் +6 அதுலேயும் +6 தான். பட் chromate ion is converted into dichromate ion. In acidic medium, dichromate ion and H2O are formed. The answer is 1D. Second question பார்க்கலாமா? The tendency towards complex formation is maximum in D block element. D block element has tendency to form coordination complexes, and the D block element metal ion acts as the central metal ion in the complexes, which do not decolorize potassium permanganate aqueous solution. Oxalate ion, bisulfate ion, carbonate ion and SO3 2 minus ion. The answer is carbonate 2 minus ion, because the potassium permanganate is insoluble in aqueous solution as the ion dipole interaction force is not sufficient to overcome the bond between metal ion and carbonate ion. It is insoluble in aqueous solution as the ion dipole interaction force is not sufficient to overcome the bond between the metal ion and the carbonate ion. Therefore, carbonate ion do not decolorize potassium permanganate. Come to the fourth one. The bond present in the structure of dichromate ion is, dichromate ion structure is, here you have one Cr, another Cr, oxygen, oxygen, here one oxygen, there is a bridged oxygen, same 1, 2, 3. So how many bonds are present? These bonds are equal bonds. These bonds are equal bonds. One CrO-Cr bond. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equivalent chromium oxygen bond and 1 CrO-Cr bond. The answer is 6 equivalent CrO bond, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1 CrO-Cr bond. Question number 5. Acidified potassium dichromate is treated with hydrogen sulfide in the reaction. The oxidation number of chromium is, when potassium dichromate is used as an oxidizing reagent, the reaction takes place is dichromate ion plus 14H plus ion plus 6 electron gives a 2Cr3 plus ion plus 7H2O. In dichromate, chromium oxidation state is +6 is reduced into +3. So the chromium oxidation state decreases from +6 to +3 is the correct answer. Question number 6. When I minus is oxidized by MnO4 minus in alkaline medium, I minus is converted into IO3 minus. -1 oxidation state is increases from -1 to +5. Which statement is not true about the transition metals? They have low melting point. So this is not true because all these are metal, therefore they are having high melting point. This is not true. They show variable oxidation state. This is the true statement. All are metal, correct. They are highly electropositive, also correct. This is the wrong statement. The equivalent rate of potassium dichromate in acidic medium is equal to. Potassium dichromate acidic medium reaction is, just now we have written, this is potassium dichromate acidic medium reaction. We know how to calculate the equivalent mass. How many electrons are involved here? 6. Now, how to calculate the equivalent mass of oxidizing agent? What is the formula? Molecular mass of or molar mass of the oxidizing agent divided by number of electrons gained. How many number of electrons are gained? 6. Therefore, the formula used to calculate the equivalent mass of potassium dichromate, molecular weight divided by 6. So, answer is B, 1 by 6 molecular weight. Silver chloride dissolved in a solution of ammonia but not in water molecule, because when AgCl is added to ammonia, silver plus form a coordination complex with the ammonia twice. Diamine silver 1 ion is formed. Therefore, it is completely soluble in ammonia than in water molecule. Ag plus form a complex ion with ammonia. This is answer 9D. Question number 10 is, which of the following statement is not true? Potassium dichromate solution in acidic medium is orange in color. On passing hydrogen sulfate through acidified potassium dichromate solution, a milky color is observed. Potassium dichromate solution becomes yellow on increases the pH value beyond 7. Beyond 7 means it becomes basic medium. Sodium dichromate is preferred over potassium dichromate in volumetric analysis. This statement is not true. Usually potassium dichromate is used. Which of the following statement about the industrial compound is incorrect? Incorrect statement. They are much harder than the pure metal. They retain the metallic conductivity and they are chemically inactive is a wrong statement. They have higher melting point than that of the pure metal. All these are correct. This is a wrong statement. Question number 12. All the metals form oxides of the type MO except silver, because barium alkaline earth metal oxidation state 2, oxygen 2 minus. When we cross that 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 to get cancelled. Copper also has 1 plus and 2 plus oxidation state. When we cross that 2 is here, this 2 is there, MO, metal oxide, BaO, CuO. Lead oxidation state 2 plus, oxygen 2 minus. When we write in cross, 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, these metal possibility to form MO type metal oxide, but silver valence is 1. Silver valence is 1 means oxidation state plus 1, oxygen 2 minus. When we write in cross, that 2 is here, this 1 is there. Molecular formula of the silver oxide is Ag2O, not AgO. Therefore, silver does not form the oxide with this molecular formula, MO, metal oxide. Which of the following lanthanoid ion is diamagnetic? Diamagnetic nature means all the electrons are paired, means it is diamagnetic. And cerium 2 plus containing 4f1 electronic configuration, it has 1 unpaired electron. And europium 4f7, 7 unpaired electron. Samarium 2 plus also has 4f6, there are 6 unpaired electron. And in ytterbium there are 14 electron in f orbital. So all the electrons in f orbital are paired. Therefore, ytterbium-2 plus is diamagnetic in nature, all others are paramagnetic in nature. Come to question number 14. Potassium permanganate acts as an oxidant in neutral, alkaline as well as acidic medium. The final product obtained from it in the three conditions are respectively. Now, first neutral medium. In neutral medium, MnO4 minus ion plus 1 electron is converted into MnO4 manganate ion. MnO4 2 minus ion in neutral medium. And in this is alkaline medium, not neutral medium, alkaline medium. And in neutral medium, MnO4 permanganate ion plus 2H2O plus 3 electrons gives MnO2 and 4OH minus ion. This is in neutral medium. And in acidic medium, Mn4 minus ion, MnO4 minus ion plus 8H plus 5 electrons gives Mn2 plus ion plus 4 water molecule. This is in acidic medium. If permanganate is used as an oxidizing agent, first neutral medium. In neutral medium, permanganate ion is converted into MnO2, where MnO2 is present first A and D. In alkaline medium, second alkaline medium, MnO4 minus ion is converted into manganate ion. So this is the correct answer. Third one is acidic medium. Permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus ion. Remember one more point. In alkaline medium, there are two reactions. First, permanganate ion is converted into manganate ion. Then manganate ion is also converted into MnO2. If instead of this manganate ion, if MnO2 is given, that is also the correct answer. Among the following, the colored compound is K3CuCN4. In this compound, copper is in +1 oxidation state. CuCl, copper is in +1 oxidation state. And CuCH3CN4 times neutral ligand. In this complex also, copper oxidation state +1. In tetramine copper 2 sulfate, copper 2 plus ion is present. Copper 2 plus ion has unpaired electron, DD transition takes place. Therefore, this compound produces colored compound. Question number 16. Knowing that the chemistry of lanthanoids is dominated by its +3 oxidation state, which of the following statement is incorrect? Because of the large size of lanthanum 3 plus ion, smaller size lanthanide contraction, this is the incorrect statement. The ionic size of Ln3 plus decreases in general with increase in atomic number due to lanthanide contraction. Lanthanum 3 plus hydroxide are mainly basic in character. We know in the consequences of lanthanide contraction. Lanthanum 3 plus compound are generally colorless. So all these are correct statement. A is wrong statement. Question number 17. How many d electrons are present in Cr2 plus ion? Chromium oxidation atomic number 24, electronic configuration argon 18, 3d54s1. Chromium 2 plus means it lost how many electron? 2 electron, one from S, one from D. Therefore, argon 18, 3d4, 4s0. 3d4 means d orbital has 5 orientation, we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, there are how many d electrons? 4 d electrons are present in Cr2 plus ion. Formation of colored solution is possible when the metal ion in the compound containing unpaired electron. Unpaired electron is responsible for color. It undergoes DD transition. Question number 19. The outer electronic configuration of gadolinium is exactly half element in the lanthanide. First element lanthanum and seventh element gadolinium 14th element lutetium. So half means 4f7 electronic configuration. 4f7 5d1 6s2. For lanthanum 4f0 5d1 6s2. For lutetium 4f14 5d1 6s2. Question number 20. Identifying the incorrect statement among the following. 4f and 5f orbitals are equally shielded. This is incorrect statement. Shielding effect of 4f orbital is greater than that for 5f orbital. Lanthanum and lutetium have partially filled d orbital and no other partially filled orbital. D black elements show irregular and erratic chemical properties among themselves. The chemistry of various lanthanides is very similar. A is answer. My dear students, in this video we discussed the QR code question and answer for unit 4. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.